Hey everyone, this is Satnaam here from 𝗀𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗟𝗏. If you've been missing your scores in your listening or your speaking just by a couple of marks, then this video is a must watch for you. So I've been doing a lot of free one-to-one consultation session for students from both Brisbane and Gold Coast. One of the things that I recently found out during these one-to-one consultation sessions is a lot of them had a dramatic decrease in their listening as well as their speaking scores. Before I go any further, I want you to remember one thing, that if your listening as well as your speaking scores are going down, very likely it is your repeat sentences or your retail lectures that is stopping you from getting your desired scores. When I was doing these consultations, I came across one simple mistake that most of the students were doing while delivering their retail lectures. So I would like to demonstrate what this mistake is so that you don't do the same thing and it helps you to get your desired score in your very first go. Alright. So what I've done over here, guys, I've taken down the notes from a real exam audio. I'm going to give you the link to that audio at the bottom of this video. Now the mistake is that most of the students, what they're doing in the real test is they're taking down their notes beautifully like this. They've got about 20 to 30 keywords and they are saying all these 20 to 30 keywords in one go, at one stretch. So, and at certain times they say it really fast. So I'm going to say it the way they actually say it in the real test. Listen to it and find out and try and understand what is the flaw in it, what is wrong with that kind of speech. So I'm going to say it in this way. So the given lecture was about space shuttle. The speaker also mentions different keywords like shuttle, design, space truck, vehicle, different things, versatile vehicle, launch satellite, repair satellite, capture satellite, Earth, repair, space lab, era, space station, prolonged useful life, near space station, logistical supply, build new international space station. In the end, after listening to this lecture, it can also be summed up that this lecture is having a lot of vital information which relates actually to the topic of space shuttle. Now, that was hard. So if you look at it, you run out of breath, but how does it sound? It just sounds very monotonous, okay? Take a pause, think about what I have done at this place. Listen to it one more time. What is wrong with it? Alright, now guys, I'm going to demonstrate the second strategy. I'm going to use the exact same keywords. I'm not going to change anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break these keywords down into 4 different sections for 4 different parts. I'm actually going to add sentences to these 4 parts. I'm going to still say the words, but what I mean is I'm going to add a structure into these keywords. Having done that, it will sound like you're saying sentences and that will make it very easy for you. It will give you a better flow. It stops you from sounding monotonous. It gives you proper intonations and stress as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pen and randomly like 1, say 2, say 3, and that's 4 parts. I haven't counted my keywords. I've just made like 4 parts over here. Now let's have a look what I would have done if I was doing the test myself. I would have done it like this. The given lecture was about space shuttle. The speaker also mentioned that shuttle, design, space truck, vehicle and different things were important parts of this lecture. The lecturer also referred to versatile vehicle, launch satellite, repair satellite and capture satellites as important. The lecture also talked about Earth, repair, space lab, era and space station as important parts. In the end, after listening to this lecture, it can also be summed that prolonged, useful life, near space station, logistical supply and build new international space station were extremely important aspects. Now, if you listen to this, there is a proper way where you can stress on your words. You know when you want to change the sentence, you know when you have to stress. If you're just saying all these 20 words at one stretch, it's going to be very hard for you. Alright. Alternatively, if you want to understand it in a better way, write down the numbers 1 to 20 in your notebooks and just say it consistently at one time, record yourself. The second thing is write it down 1 to 20 again, but break it down into 4 parts and try to say it in 4 different sentences. Find out the difference and see what is the better one. I guarantee you, if you follow method number 2, you will get your desired score for your listening as well as your speaking. You're going to smash the test. So if you've got any queries, any questions regarding retail lectures still, please feel free to give us a call on the displayed numbers on the screen. Or you can text me on Facebook, or you can text our main page on 𝗀𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗟𝗏, which is also on Facebook. Thank you very much, and I hope that this video helps you out.